what we are going to do today. Okay, so we will not be doing P3 questions straight away. All right, we won't be doing P3 topics straight away. So I think 88 tuition, Mommy, you can listen also.
Yes.
So I think 88 tuition basically wants to let the kids during the holiday, especially for these 2 weeks, have a bit of fun. So what we're going to do today is toy making. Okay, of course, the toy making will involve some sort of scientific concepts, like how the toy work is basically there's some science behind it. Derek, do you understand what I'm talking about?
No.
Okay, so the toys that we are making can be used, can be made with household materials, so very simple stuff. Okay, and basically, we will also talk about how the toy works and the science behind why the toy works. Okay, so Mami, today's lesson might not be 1.5 hours totally. Okay, it might be a bit shorter because there's not so much content to cover.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So before I show you some examples of toys that you can make at home, Derek, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
I want you to look at the screen and stop looking around. Okay, Ken? Okay, so before I show you some videos of how we can make toys at home, okay, I want to first show you how to make a balloon-powered paper cup.
Do we need to do it real now?
What?
Do we need to do it now?
No, you don't need. You don't have anything. So you will just see me do. Okay?
Okay.
So these are the materials that we will need. Okay, a lot of these things you can find at home. Agree? A lot of these things you can find at home, correct or not?
I don't have balloons.
You don't have what?
I don't have balloon.
Yeah, okay, but these are things that you can buy easily and find at home, correct? Not difficult to find, correct?
Yeah, I don't have bamboo stick.
But you can find easily. You can go Popular and buy, correct?
Wait, are you saying the one where you use the popsicle?
No.
Oh,
Okay, so these are just materials that you can get easily. Agree or not?
agree.
Okay, so we are going to make a toy car, okay, and it is going to move using a balloon. Okay, so this is basically if you take, so at the end of today's lesson, if you want to make the car on your own, you can actually try yourself. Okay, yes?
Actually, I saw one of my school P3 friend do that before.
Okay, then we shall see whether it's the same thing that they are making, okay? Okay, so first we get a cardboard box, a cardboard paper. All right, then we cut it into a rectangle.
What about the line?
Okay, so this is basically glue. Okay, so we keep 2 strips of glue at the bottom of the cardboard paper. Okay, and then you can see straw, right?
Yeah.
This is a straw.
Yeah.
Okay, so I stick the straw at the bottom of the cardboard paper. Can?
Can.
Then next, this is a bottle cap. You know the water bottle, the cap. Okay,
Yeah.
so I use a needle, a hot needle, to poke through the bottle cap so I can make a hole. Okay, so this bottle cap, what do you think is going, what part of the car do you think is going to be?
The wheel.
Very good. So I need to have 4 bottle caps. Then I take a bamboo stick. Okay. I put a bottle cap at each side of the bamboo stick.
Okay.
So one bamboo stick, it will have how many bottle caps?
2.
Good. Like that. Make sense?
Makes sense.
So you can see now the straw. Inside the straw, there's the bamboo stick. And then there's 2 wheels at the end of the car. Correct or not?
Correct.
Car got how many wheels?
Hmm?
A car got how many wheels?
4.
So I need to do this how many times?
4.
I need to do this step how many more times?
4.
Huh?
2.
2 times, right? So I do this 1 time, then I do that another time so that I have 4 wheels. Agree?
Agree.
Okay, good. So now we have a balloon and we have a straw.
Hi.
Can you see that, Derek?
Yeah.
I am going to use scotch tape or tape to tape the balloon to the straw so that the air does not come out. Okay? Then after that, I am going to attach the straw to the top of the cardboard car. Can you see? Okay. And then my balloon will be blown up. Okay? Now, instead of using a cardboard box, you can also use a water bottle. So here you see an empty water bottle, right? Then you have the straw here, the balloon here, and then the wheels and the wheels here.
Can we
You see
use
this is
any
a
bottle?
paper car? Huh?
Can we use any bottle?
Yes, any empty bottle. But you must keep the mouth open. Can? So if you want to try this at home, you can do it. All right. Okay. So now let me demonstrate to you how it will look like. Wait, let me change my background first.
The balloon will actually the gluing part is actually you need to tell our parent because I saw one of that gun, the glue gun before. It's, you have to use the electric, and it's also super hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you might need your parents to help you. If not, you can actually just use super glue at home, so it works. Okay, so let me show you what I have. Okay, so I don't have a water bottle, okay, but I have these things that are cut out already.
Okay,
So this is going to make my car. Can you see?
yeah.
These wooden planks. And then I have my wheels. 4 wheels.
But I thought pin is small. How can it be big?
What do you mean pin? What pin?
The wheel pin?
This is not a wheel pin. This is just a real wheel. It's a toy wheel.
Oh.
All right.
By that.
Then I have these 2 sticks. Can you see these 2 metal sticks?
No.
Okay. And I have these orange color things. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to build this car. Oh, wait, I need to show you my balloon also. So this is my balloon. Then this is instead of a straw, I have this thing. Can? So we have
Yes.
everything we need. I'm going to show you how to put together this car and how it works, okay? So I have my car, this is the part of the car. I'm going to slot in these 2 portions. Okay, inside already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I flip it over. It's quite loose. So I need to use this small thing to get the front so that it won't shake. So I push it all the way in for one side. Then the other side, I also push it all the way in.
It
You
more.
see?
Yeah. It more.
It looks like a car.
Button.
It looks like a spaceship, right?
No, it looks like a button.
Okay, so now what do I need to do? The wheels are missing, correct or not?
Yeah.
So how am I going to attach the wheels? Remember the metal rod I told you just now? I'm
Yeah.
going to put it inside. You see this hole?
Yeah.
I'm going to put it through like that. And then I'm going to insert the wheels at each side. But to hold the wheel tightly, I'm going to use this small orange thing. Okay? Put it at one end of the metal rod. Cannot go in. And then fix the wheel on.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see one wheel is there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try for the other side.
You have to do 2 more times.
Yes, very good.
What do
Okay,
you
so
have
actually this thing that I have, right? I actually bought it online. Okay, so actually, if you and mommy want to try to make toys at home, okay, you don't have all the materials, you can just go online and Google DIY toy cars. Okay,
Okay.
then you're able to buy it on Lazada or Shopee at only about $2-3, very cheap. And then you can do it at home yourself. So it's quite fun.
Okay.
So you can do it during your school holiday project or whatever.
Holiday?
Bought during the school holiday.
We're going to school holiday also.
Started already, right?
Hmm?
Has school holiday started?
Heaven.
When is it? Next week?
Friday. This Friday.
Do you see your car?
Yeah.
Okay, now, how is the balloon going to make it work? Let's see. So remember my straw? Instead of a straw, I have this one lah. Okay?
It looks like a hammer.
No, it's actually it's just a small thing that I can attach the balloon to.
Okay.
So like that. Okay. So I'm going to blow up the balloon.
I see you blowing it up.
Cannot see. Yeah.
I can see.
Yeah, sorry. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I let go of the balloon, okay, Derek, do you think the car will move this way or this way? So direction 1 or direction 2?
1.
Okay, let's try. Okay, why not moving? Okay, wait, let's try again. Sorry.
It looks like a spaceship with a balloon.
Okay, why is it not moving? So weird. Okay, let me try again.
Teacher,
Yeah.
the
Oh,
balloon,
sorry, I put wrong side.
the balloon will not. The balloon didn't go, it's okay because we can do it at home. Our one might also go.
Wait. See, yeah?
Wow.
Did he move? Did he move? You want to see again?
Yes.
Okay, we try one more time, okay? Okay. 3, 2,
1.
1. You saw that? Okay, now, why do you think the balloon moved? Why do you think the car moved?
Because the balloon air push it.
The balloon air push it. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by the balloon's air push it?
Inside the air, the inside of the air of the balloon got a lot of air. Then some of them is the air inside is trying to push out. Then
You are saying
the air,
inside this blue color balloon there's air, is it?
yeah. Then the air is trying to push out. Then it also push the wheel to move.
Okay, so let me introduce you to this thing called Newton's third law of motion. Okay, so what does Newton say? Newton says that for every action, there is a equal opposite action. Okay, so he says for every action, there will be an equal and opposite action in the opposite direction. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So when air, like what you say, when air